Hey everybody, and welcome to the next Smoke and Flame quick tip. Now this one's not on the most impressive topic, but the other day Fred reminded me of a shortcut that exists a lot of people might not know about, and I thought it might be useful, and it's regarding notes. So as it stands right now, you can just press N anytime and pull out a note, and you can double click on that and type in what you want, and that'll always be there every time you double click it. Of course, the other one that most people know is pressing Shift and V will bring up the note that can be applied to any clip, which is pretty handy if you have some specific things going on. But this is regarding sequence notes, so timeline notes. So if you go to timeline right now, you see I've got two sequences here, and we can always add markers and add comments and stuff like that, and that's fine. There can be a comment associated with a marker. Again, those are associated with each marker. But a cool feature that exists is the ability to add notes to sequences. So if I press Shift V and keep them held down and then click on this, you'll see I get a little sequence pop up. So I could say, do work to this one, let me know how it goes, right? And let go, and you see what comes up is a little N icon. Now the cool thing with this, if I double click on this, you'll see there's a little timestamp as well as the user who created it. So you can see this was created by Ciso and today's date and the time. So the really cool thing is if I just quickly switch users, and this is different shortcuts and all that. So the other thing too is for Flame, the shortcut for this is spacebar N and then click, and then you can edit in there as well if you want to create a new one. Spacebar N, click. But the cool thing is if we double click on the N, again spacebar N, double click to go back to it, and then this is another user who could have done the work and said shots are done, learn how to spell, are done. And then you see if we go back and pressing spacebar N, double click, you can see that it tells you the user. So it gives you kind of an update on shots within your sequence, which is I think really quite cool, and can kind of eliminate the need for emails and back and forth and a little getting lost in what was happening in each sequence. So again, it's a short and sweet one, but that's it for this quick tip, guys. Stay tuned for more.